ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच कायेन मनसा बुद्ध्या केवलैरिन्द्रियैरपि योगिनः कर्म कुर्वन्ति संगं त्यक्त्वात्मशुद्धये। Fifth chapter, 11th sloka, Karma Sannyasa Yogam. Here Bhagavan Krishna says, the dedicated karma yogis, they will do karma without any attachment, with the help of body, mind, intellect and senses, and they will not, with the body, with the mind and with the senses, without any attachments and with utmost humbleness, karma yogis, they will perform karmas. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says, how a dedicated karma yogi will perform actions. He will perform actions with 100% detachment. With 100%, there is no wishes, means karma phala. They don't see, no bandham. When attachment is there, everything will come. When no attachment, nothing will come. So with no attachment, with the help of body, mind and intellect, they will perform actions, all actions with utmost humbleness. Here, utmost humbleness in the sense they will not proclaim that I have done this, I have done that, I only did this, I only did that, all those things. They will not have any pride, any proud moment of what they achieved or what they are doing and what they were going to do, all those things. They never focus on that. Their only focus is whatever karma they are doing, they will do that with utmost concentration, with Ishvara Buddhi, without any attachment in mind on anything and anybody, with the help of body, mind and intellect. Deham, Manam, Buddhi, with the help of these, because ahankaram, claim I only did this, thus itself it's a, we say generally ego, ahankaram, mamakaram, I have done. Without that, we say that's what utmost humbleness. They will do and they will forget. They will do that action and they will forget. They will not claim that I have done. Because many people, they will do the karma very nicely and perfectly. But they will, to everyone they will say, I have done this, I have done this, I have done this, I have done this work, I have done that work, I have done this yagam, I have helped those people, like this. So that is also very important. Without attachment, how much is important, that much humbleness also important. Even you are doing any help also. Not only doing karma, perfecting karma, executing karma, that is also important. Once you are karma, if you have done, or if you are helping anyone, that also with humbleness you have to do. So without attachment, with the help of body, mind and buddhi, you are doing all karmas. You means the karma, dedicated karma yogis will perform actions with utmost humbleness. Tomorrow we shall see 12th sloka. Till then, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Tat Sat.